Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa Evo. First, ensure your racing wheel or controller is connected and powered on before starting the game. Once in, head to the settings menu to map all your essential inputs like steering, throttle, and brake. Many players find their pedal axes are inverted by default, so check and adjust this in the Properties tab for normal function. Finally, fine-tune your force feedback to get the best tactile experience from your equipment. Precise inputs are crucial in Assetto Corsa Evo. You can adjust dead zone to prevent accidental inputs, especially if your controller has slight stick drift. Saturation controls the maximum output, so setting it to 100% uses the full range of your device. Curvature affects how linearly your inputs are registered. A lower value makes it smoother near the center. For controller users, steer assist can help maintain stability, especially when learning the game's physics. On the track, understanding your car's behavior is key. Keep an eye on your tire conditions. Green means optimal temperature and pressure. For new tracks, the race line can guide you through corners, showing the ideal path. Remember, braking is realistic, so practice progressive braking rather than slamming the pedal. When exiting turns, apply throttle smoothly to avoid losing traction and ensure a strong, stable acceleration onto the straights. To truly advance, dive into the Driving Academy. It's an excellent way to earn licenses and unlock a wider selection of vehicles. Begin your journey with slower cars to comfortably grasp the game's nuances before tackling high-powered machines. Prioritize consistency in your laps during practice. Smooth, repeatable driving is more beneficial than occasional fast bursts. As you gain confidence, experiment with advanced techniques like trail, braking to shave off precious tenths of a second.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.